Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Kucoin wallet account. To learn, watch the video till the end. To log in, first open up the app and click on I already have a wallet. Now click accept. After that, click on restore wallet. You will be needing your 12-word secret phrase to restore your wallet. Now type in the 12-word secret phrase according to order. After typing in your 12-word secret code according to the order, click Restore. After that, if you have set your Face ID, then click on Face ID. If you have set a password, then click on Password. Now type in your password. Now re-enter the password. Now you have successfully logged into your Kucoin account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do leave a thumbs up and stay tuned as we will be providing similar kind of content. If you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching.